People of the internet, welcome back to my channel. For those of you who haven't been here before, welcome. So festival season is upon us. Coachella has already happened, and it's weird because every year I tell myself, well, next year I'll go to Coachella. April rolls around, Coachella happens, and I think to myself, not this year either, maybe next year. Even though festival season hasn't really started here in Norway yet, I still felt inspired to create some festival inspired looks. This look is actually a rendition of a look that I did last year for the Pit Festival, but since I was on a break, I didn't film it. Now this is a very simple look, very easy to achieve, but I wanted to ease into the festival looks because I have a few ideas and they're coming at you. But if you want to know how I got this look, then please keep on watching.
As you can see, I'm starting off with a completely bare face because I want to go through the entire process, and I'm starting off with Honeydew Me Up by NYX. When I first got it, I thought, well, this was a small bottle, but then I realized a little goes a long way. Then I'm going in with NYX Can't Stop, Won't Stop Full Coverage Foundation because for a festival, it's important to control that sweat and oil, so a matte foundation I feel is perfect for that. Then of course I work it in with a beauty sponge. This is the sponge by Morphe, and I gotta say, I love it. And I also feel when I work things in with a beauty sponge, they stay on longer. For today's concealer duo, I'm going in with the Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define and the LA Girl Pro Conceal. I'm using the Makeup Revolution as a base, and then I'm lightening things up with the LA Girl one because the Makeup Revolution is a little bit too dark to use as a brightener. And again, I work it in with the beauty sponge. And to set things, I'm using this duo right here, which is the RCMA Warm Gold Powder and the No Color Powder. The Warm Gold Powder gives a slight sheen and sets beautifully. Now that the base is done, I'm going to pull you a little closer and get going on the eyes. Shadows, I just go in with a little bit of translucent powder to catch any fallout, and then I take the Silk Cream from the Morphe and Jaclyn Hill palette, and I use this as a transition shade in the crease. Then I go in with the shade Creamsicle just to add some extra color and dimension to the crease. So I just continue to do what I do, and I take butter and build up that crease even more. I start this off the lash base and work it up into the crease and through the crease. Then to deepen the outer corner, I'm taking the shade Burns and working that into the outer corner and eventually dragging it through the crease. Then for the mobile eyelid, I'm going in with this shade right here, which you can obviously see that I've hit pan on in Queen, and it's such a beautiful gold shade. I absolutely love it. I have sprayed the brush with some fixing spray just to make it pop even more. If you are squeamish, look away now as I work my way down to the lower lash line, and I'm taking this Mountain Air by MAC and placing it on my waterline. To smoke out that mountain air, no pun intended, I'm taking this beautiful shade called Jade and I'm smoking out that waterline. I'm also trying to be careful and not make it look like a bruise, so precise blending is important. Then on a slim pencil brush, I'm going in with this shade called Pool Party, and it's a beautiful turquoise shade that I place in my inner corner and drag it out just below the waterline. Then for some finishing touches, I'm taking the shade Beam and using it as a inner corner highlighter, and it's so gorgeous. I absolutely love it. Then my camera died and I did lashes and liner off camera. And now I'm going to move on to the rest of the face, taking the contour kit by Anastasia and just bronzing up the entire face. For blush, I'm taking the tried and true Hot Mama by TheBalm, even on its head. Yeah, good one, Alma. So what's a festival without some glow, right? So I'm taking the Glow Kit by Anastasia in Sun Dipped and taking the shade Moonstone and just glowing up my face. And on camera for once, I'm gonna do my brows, and for that I'm using this duo, which is the Brow Drama by Maybelline and the Anastasia Brow Powder. So what I do is I start off with the brow mascara, and then I go in and fill in where it needs to be filled lightly with the brow powder afterwards. For the lip duo today, I'm taking Velvet Teddy by MAC and this Isadora Lip Glaze, because I wanted to keep it pretty neutral on the lips. Then of course we need to set the masterpiece, and that completes the look. Told you it was easy. Thanks for watching.
This look that I'm doing, I still felt okay, I can't have this music on because I'll get copyright.